welcome back to my channel. It's Queen Shalisa here. I have another video here for you. Yeah, this hair is from Allove Hair. I got this hair from Allove Hair Company. Okay, let's see what Allove Hair has for us. Let's check out their packaging. So nice, so durable, and of course it's so safe. Let's look at what Allove Hair has for us. Alright, this is a lace, okay, the hairnet, a hairnet from Allove. Okay, we also have the wig. Now let's look at the wig. It's supposed to be a Brazilian lace front wig. A Brazilian lace front wig. Guys, this is a bomb. Okay, it's a bomb. You know why? The density is so amazing. It's 150% density. It's so full from top to bottom. So full. Okay, guys, let's talk about the nature. Brazilian hair is so natural, so soft. Oh God, it's the softest hair I've ever seen, guys. Let's look at it. Let's look at the front part of this hair. It's a pre-plucked. It has got a pre-plucked hairline. From here, you could see the hairline from here, and of course, it has baby hair, which will make it look so natural. You know what I'm talking about. All right, let's look at the lace. I told you it's a Brazilian lace front wig. So the lace is also so soft, so comfortable. I can feel it with my fingers here. And it's 13 by 4. The size of the lace is 13 by 4. It has got the combs there at the top here, and of course at the bottom and at the sides. At the sides, it has got combs at the sides. Look here, here, and of course the adjustable straps. The adjustable straps are also here. You can see. So it means that you can always get this hair no matter the size of your hair. It can be big, it can be small. Brazilian lace front wig from Allove Hair is your best choice. Okay, now let's talk about the size. I have a rule. Let's check the size of this Brazilian lace front wig from Allove Hair. Okay, actually it's supposed to be 24 inch, but it's more than 24. Okay, it's more than 24. Look at it. We got the camera. Look at it. It's supposed to be 24, but we hit it 26, 27. Okay, look at it. But we're already at 26, right? Okay, so now let me show you my new spring hairstyle here. Okay guys, let me show you how to braid my new spring hairstyle. Okay, on my Brazilian. Okay, so soft, like I said, no tangling, no shredding. Okay, so to begin with, we need to get 3 strands of hair from the side. Okay, so let me get my 3 strands from here. Okay, like I said, it can be curled, it can be styled. Whatever you want to do to your hair, yeah, it's possible. Okay, so I have my 3 strands here. So you cross one here to the middle, you cross the left strand to the middle, the right one to the middle, of course. Okay, so you hold it taut, okay, so that you can actually do the braids very well and nicely. Okay, so we can see the braids forming, right? Yeah, we are getting there. Our braids, you know, from here. Okay, the same way we did the last time. I mean, for the other part, we can see from here we have from both sides, and this can be done for yourself or for your daughter. So we put these 2 together. This is one style, and I'm going to take another strand from behind. Okay. Oh, it looks so gorgeous, so beautiful.
Wanna feel how fast my heart would beat if you were close.